Alright, we're at the Four Queens. We've got a modded elevator here.
One of my favorite, a modded. Love this mod, guys. Great.
Jesus. Those doors, oh, EnPro.
Huh, we've seen a couple of those.
3rd Street. Hey guys, this is made by 3rd Street Elevator. I've never heard of that company. ERM, or not, it says Innovations.
The Pinnacle, Innovation Pinnacle.
Yes.
This must be like a parking garage elevator, I guess.
Well, considering the fact that it's in a parking garage, I would reckon.
No, I didn't pay attention when we walked in. Just saw you walking here and you're like, elevator. I'm like, okay. Oh, and you looky there, there's a nice building.
I'll be going in there next.
It's interesting how this EnPro puts the branding and the property on the panel.
Yeah. Four Queens. We'll get off at 1 because we'll walk into the hotel from there, I think.
You can?
I
Hopefully.
think, yeah, I bet you could.
I would imagine. So.
Yeah. That would kind of be shitty design if you couldn't.
Yeah.
That is a really big logo for the COP though.
I guess it's whatever they're willing to pay for.
Alright.
Right, here we are. I assume it's this side.
Yep. And I don't know where we connect to the casino. We'll figure that out. Anyway, that's it.